looking to shampoo your caravan interior, then this is the video for you. Now don't forget, everything you use in the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get those Kirby products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Hi Kirby fans, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be shampooing the interior of this caravan. We're going to be doing the settees first, and then we'll be jumping in and doing the carpet. Because it's such a restricted space, we won't be able to use the Kirby Shampooer. We'll be using the portable shampooer for everything. You get this Kirby converted to the portable shampoo system, and then get this caravan cleaned. So we've converted our Kirby to the portable shampoo system, or the compressor. The only thing we need to attach is our shampoo system. Now before we do that, I will show you in a second, we do want to blow that hose out, because any excess dirt that's in that hose is going to blow into here and obviously mix with that shampoo, and we don't want that going back into the furniture. The other thing you're going to need is a damp cloth. So with your caravan, you're going to have soft material. You don't want to be using a scrubby brush, you want to use a damp microfiber cloth or an old towel. And then for agitation on that carpet, because we're in such a confined space, we're going to be using a little scrubbing brush. And we'll put links down below, everything we're going to be using today, so make sure you check those out at the end of this video. So let's get the dust blew out of this Kirby and start shampooing these caravan couches. So we've done those couches and we've rubbed that foam in. We're going to let that disperse. That will go into that material. It will start to dissolve and attach itself to the dirt fibres, which will come to the surface, and then we'll vacuum it off with a zip brush or the deep cleaning portable where we can. But while that's drying, because it's 33 degrees at the moment, it's going to reach a high of 38. I do recommend doing this on a warm day, but obviously early. So at least during the warm day, you can leave the windows open and this material will dry, and so will the carpets in your caravan. Obviously don't do it when it's 34 degrees. I've got no option because I'm in Australia at the moment, but that's probably the best way to get this clean and get it dried pretty quick, so we can get it cleaned within a day or a few hours. So this should dry within around an hour in this heat. We'll get the carpets cleaned with a portable shampooer and get that rubbed in, and then by that time this should be nearly dry, and then we'll clean it off with a zip brush later on. Now, beginning a light coloured carpet, we have got a few dirty spots. We did vacuum this for around 3 or 4 days to get all that dirt out with the Kirby. As you seen in the last video, I did use the dirt meter at first, and then I finished off for a week with the Kirby. So now all that dirt is out of there. We've just got these stains to get rid of. Any stubborn stains, anything that's organic, you can put a bit of a hydrogen peroxide medical grade on there, and that will dissolve that. We'll just see how we go with the Kirby shampoo and get this clean. Don't forget, every cue of the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get those Kirby products, so make sure you check those out at the end of this video. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and it's pretty easy to shampoo your settee or your carpets in your caravan. As you can see, we're going to leave that shampoo now to encapsulate all that embedded dirt in those carpets and in that settee. As for cleaning it off, the following day we're going to vacuum it off, so we'll do that in a follow-up video, and a lot of people have requested the Heritage 2, so we're going to vacuum that off with the Heritage 2 in a following video, and following videos we'll come back and we'll vacuum it off with the zip brush and the Kirby Portable. Now, for those of you struggling to service your Kirby, check out this video next, and for those of you looking at using the shampoo system on your Kirby Avalir, check out this video next. So thanks for watching, happy cleaning, and I'll catch you in the next one.